All right, we're in business. How y'all doing tonight? All right, good crowd, good crowd. The name of our app is Howler. We are the Future Endeavors team. You see what we did there? Yeah. We have Rick Meany back in. Rick, would you like to speak for a second?
Hello everyone, been a pleasure working with you all over these past 6 months, and hopefully we'll see each other again in the future. Okay, so main thing is our app is mostly a social integration chat app, mainly uses Socket.io. So basically we can all talk to each other seamlessly. It does utilize a Mongoose database, which it does use to populate with the, I think at this point, past 18 entries that are in there. So yeah, it's pretty basic. We use that's basically it, so Socket.io, and that moves on to the front end.
Thank you, Rick. So, it says full stack on mine, but I like to think of myself as kind of a jack of all trades. So the original concepts, I guess you could say that was me. Added some animation as well as a general layout and some front end work. Also did some little R&D for the React, and that was a little, I wouldn't say that was, it was challenging, but we'll get into the challenges at the near the end of the presentation. But, also, actually, you know, Shelby Deal.
So I worked on a lot of the CSS and bootstrapped the layout that they made, and then I did some volume control, fixing bugs, and putting on the road view.
And like I said, motivation was just to create a social atmosphere in a room. The plan is to basically use geolocation to open a chat room in a general area, and whoever's in that area can chat with each other. For example, this room, we could all log on. You can all comment on, you know, you can comment on how many pauses I'm making right now. But yeah, so it was just to have fun, because this, you know, a lot of the internet to me and social media, like if I go on YouTube and look at YouTube videos, half the fun is the comments.
Yeah.
There's some real comedy gold on there. I mean, there's some bad stuff on that too, but you gotta, you know, we're gonna keep it classy in here, folks. So, but yes, we're gonna go ahead and do a demo here, and Rick will also log on with me.
Yeah, once in there.
Here we are. So here we are on the front page, and Shelby helped design that. So we have some kind of selling points here. So we do not store your information. You know, we're not, you know, selling out to Big Brother or anything like that. We're not selling out to big corporations, so you won't see an ad for whatever thing you type in. You know, if you type in Griarte clothing line, you won't see an ad for that. But we love them, bro. So, and going back to the local connection, just kind of keeping it local. We have here in Chapel Hill, we have the bar. It's like a bar and restaurant API connected to where you can comment on your favorite local water and hole restaurant or wherever you like to go to. And we do have mobile functionality. The App Store that's a future thing. I don't know if that's, I'm not gonna try to sell you on that right now, but I will go ahead and log in, so just type my name out and hit enter. And Rick is already starting the conversation. Jason, hello.
As people log in, it pops into the left, and as people log out, it sees the automatic pop-up ticket. See, so someone just too big. And as this person leaves, boom, kicked out of the chat.
We're all wondering where those people came from, where they went from earlier. Not just me. Also, we have a feature called a whisper. So you do like a /W, type the name of the person you want to.
And I'll send you one.
Yeah, you can send me a whisper. It's kind of a version of.
Only the person you send it to will see it doesn't register on anyone else's screen. So actually.
Some people call it sliding into the DMs. We call it a whisper, keeping it a little bit classier.
Of course, I'm still. And yep, there it goes. So ability your screen that will pop up only on this. Only on this.
All right. Thanks, Jason and Rick, for the comments here.
Thank you both.
Yeah, so it's just we want to create a social atmosphere here. We have a map on the right here, and currently this is not connected. We just as far as time constraints and everything, we're not able to connect to like a new database for a new chat room database for every single location. That was the goal, but you know. You could click on this La Residence, is where I also work part-time. Come in and get a drink from me this weekend if you like. Drinks on me. And that's just in general. I could write that in the chat, but I'm,
And a discount code.
discount code is a valid ID, folks.
Maybe not.
Thank you, Howler. Appreciate it. All right, so that's pretty much the app, folks. We're going to talk about. Get back to the presentation. So we did have some challenges. Like I mentioned, time constraints is always a challenge when you're working two jobs and you're coming in as kind of a beginner to the whole field. And I want to thank the instructors and TAs. I've learned a ton of it, so much I can't even explain to you over these past 6 months. And this whole experience has been great. I just want to throw that in there. But you can clap if you like. Thank you. And just we met those challenges by just staying on Slack all day. And I downloaded the Slack app on my phone, work during lunch breaks, late night, just staying up at 2:30 to 1 sometimes. And the learning new technologies aspect is always a challenge. I think Rick might have a few words.
I think the common consensus is React is a little difficult to jump into. To be honest, we had a lot more functionality. We had a couple more days. I would have liked to have really had the discussion and geolocator working, but unfortunately we kind of had to learn React to get here. So this is what I was able to put together. This is what we were able to put together for today. So for the future, I think from everything we learned in the class and everything that everyone's been so great for helping us with, I think within a few days we can actually turn this into something really incredible. But for right now, I think we just have a fun little thing. And guys, go nuts. Let's all have fun.
One more thing, like I said, we're going to keep updating this app, so keep an eye out for it in the future. And we had talked about working with React Native to convert to Android functionality, which is a whole can of worms. So we kind of just abandoned that within this time frame. But you know, the game ain't over, folks, and we're in it to win it. So thank you, appreciate it.
Thank you. So we're going to pause a little bit for the camera. Switch camera. But the next group is